Hello, everybody. Welcome to Anson Chinese Mandarin Class. 大家好，欢迎来到安森汉语课堂。I'm your teacher, Anson. First, let's review our lesson 1. In lesson 1, we have learned 7 vowels. They are all lingual surface vowels. The key point for the pronunciation is the mouth shape, tongue position, and height. Okay, everybody follow me. Or. You can also speak o, e, u, a. Okay, let's get started. For lesson 2, we will learn 3 more vowels. Here it is. This one is called tongue tip front vowel. Okay, this is the IPA. This one, tongue tip back vowel. And this one, retroflex vowel. E, Okay, let's learn one by one. Front E. The mouth shape is uplet mouth. Your tongue tip approach the upper teeth back, vibrate the vocal cord, and close nasal cavity. E. Okay, this is front E. Back E. How to pronunciate back E? Mouth shape, uplet mouth. Turn up your tongue tip. Then put your tongue tip across the hard palate forepart. Vibrate the vocal cord and close nasal cavity. Then we get E. Okay, very good. The next one is How to pronunciate it? First, open mouth naturally. The uplet mouth. You can see this picture. The main point. Put your tongue tip, turn up, and approach to hard palate middle part, but do not touch the hard palate. Then close nasal cavity and vibrate vocal cord. Okay, good. Now we have finished the learning for 10 vowels. There are 3 groups. Group 1, lingual surface vowel. There are 7. A, O, E, U, A. The second group is tongue tip vowel. Tongue tip front and tongue tip back. E. The next group is retroflex vowel. Okay, let's practice these 10 vowels. Wo, or you can call O, A. Second, E, U, A, E. This one back front E, this one back E. Okay, thank you for watching. And don't forget to follow, give a like, and share my channel. See you next time.